lesson in English is Billu the Dog. Billu is the main character in the story. The other characters are farmer, wife, baby and fox. Billu has a lot of friends. They are dog, cat, calf, hen and goat. My friends are here to talk about the news of this lesson.
Dear birdie, where do you live?
Hi friends, my name is Alinanis. I am presenting a action song. Put your right hand in, put your right hand up, put your right hand in and shake it all above. Do the boogie boogie, do the boogie boo. Do the boogie boogie, do the boogie boo. Put your left hand in, put your left hand up, put your left hand in and shake it all above. Do the boogie boogie, do the boogie boo. Do the boogie boogie, do the boogie do. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Dia, studying Standard 3 at M.K.M. Pongil School. Today I made 2 puppets, a farmer and his wife. Here is a puppet conversation between a farmer and his wife. All of you welcome to this puppet show. Billu is our dear dog. I was stupid to think of throwing him out. Thank God, Billu saved our child. Dear, let's go home and give our Billu a good dinner. Okay dear. All of you like my puppet show? Thank you. Ma from Mullola. Every day I go and play. I go and play. I meet my friends. And we all say, hello. How are you? I am good. How about you? I am good. How about you? Na 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 na. Hey, na 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 na. Hey, I am Billu, studying in Standard 3 M.K.M. and I prepared a picture dictionary related to the chapter of Billu the Dog. B. Bush. The fox hid in the bush. F. Farmer. The farmer went to the field. H. Hen. The hen gives us eggs. H. House. We live in a house. P. Pup. The pup is walking. T. Tree. This is a big tree. W. Wife. The farmer's wife is in the kitchen. This is a rat wheel. We can make so many words from this. For example, teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Faithful. F-A-I-T-H-F-U-L. Faithful. Attack. A-T-T-A-C-K. Attack. Like this, we can make different words. Thank you.
Hi children, I am teaching Raju. Staying at Marapalam, I am presenting an action song. Move right, move left, move forward, move back, move right, move left, move forward, move back. Thank you children.
Joyful and happy.
Hi, I am Sodi from Venue. Mama, grandma. What do you do? Where is my walking stick?
I want to walk. I want to walk. Mama, grandma, mama, grandma, what do you do? What do you do? Where is my spectacles? Where is my spectacles? I want to read. I want to read. Mama, grandma, mama, grandma, what do you do? What do you do? What are you saying? What are you saying? I can't hear. I can't hear. Mama, grandma, mama, grandma, what? Snacks? Can we snacks? No, child. No, child. I have a naughty. I have a naughty. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I am Shivani Mahesha. I am living in Vendagal. I want to describe the picture. Look, this is a picture. There is a farmer's house in the picture. There are many animals in the picture. A hen is eating grains. A cat is playing. It is white in color. A calf is standing near the goat. The goat is lying on the ground. A bucket is near the goat. It's red in color. Pails and buckets near the house. Billu is sleeping in front of the house. There are some friends in the picture. There are many trees and plants in the picture. This is a beautiful picture. Thank you.
My name is Catherine Christopher. My place is Kochitura. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Billu reads the foods. Billu meets his friends. Billu's friend is what? He tells him everything. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Arun from Tirupati. The farmer in the field, the farmer in the field. Hi ho the dairy, oh the farmer in the field. The farmer has a wife, the farmer has a wife. Hi ho the dairy, oh the farmer has a wife. They have a baby, they have a baby. I ho the dairy, oh they have a baby. The farmer has a dog. The farmer has a dog. Hi ho the dairy, oh the farmer has a dog. The farmer in the field. The farmer in the field. Hi ho the dairy, oh the farmer in the field.
I am Asna. I am native of Putangada. I prepared of a storybook. This is the first page of my storybook. My hero Billu. Billu's friend. The farmer was happy. He built a kennel for Billu. Next day, Billu went to the woods. He invited the fox to his new home. One night, the fox came to see Billu. Billu shared his food with fox. The farmer saw this. Billu is barked. The fox ran away. Thank you.
Dear piggy, where do you live? I live.
Hi, my name is Devananda. I am coming from Olakani. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi. Dear hen, where do you live? Hi friend, dear friend, I live in a coop. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi. Hey, are you happy? Hi. Are you happy? Hi.
Kochitura. This is my brother. Okay, now I am present in conversation.
Billu became old.
Yes, he can't walk, he can't run.
I will throw him away.
Please don't throw him away.
No dear, he is too old to do anything now.
Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Arya. My place is Putangada. I am singing. I have a hen. Its name is Chiku. It eats rice and wheat. It is kept in coop. It is brown in color. It is yummy chicken.
My name is Persistor. There is a house, small house. The farmer's house. The dog is in the house. There is a house, small house. The farmer's house. The cat is in the house. There is a house, small house. The farmer's house. The hen is in the house. There is a house, small house. The farmer's house. The goat is in the house. There is a house, small house. The farmer's house. The calf is in the house. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Lavanya S. Ajit. My place is Karingulam, but I am staying at my grandmother's house now. Let me introduce you to my pet.
Look.
Look, I have a hen. Its name is Chiku. It gives egg. It eats rice and wheat. Its color is brown in color. It's kept in a coop. Its animal is chick.
My name is Vidul. I am studying the standard. I am singing a song. Farmer in the field, farmer in the field. Hey ho, farmer in the field. Farmer has a wife, farmer has a wife. Hey ho, farmer has a wife. They have a baby, they have a baby. Hey ho, they have a baby. Farmer has a dog, farmer has a dog. Hey ho, farmer has a dog.
Dear goat, where do you live? I live in the
My name is Karthik. I am coming from Minjipullura. I have a goat, a beautiful goat. This color is black and white. I am Soumya from Kumli. Little pup, what do you say? Oof. Let's go and play. Kitty cat, how about you? Meow. And hyper. Hi friends, I am Jansi from Pongil. I am telling a story. Billu the puppy. His small puppy lived with his mother. They lived in a farmer's house. Farmer loved them very much. He gave them food and milk. The farmers, the puppy Billu. Days and months passed. One rainy night, all were sleeping. Our Billu was also sleeping. Suddenly, he heard a sound. He looked around. Two men were walking towards the house. He stood up and barked. Bow! My name is Rehani. I am studying 3rd standard. I am coming from Iruvaikona. Conversation between farmer and his wife. Farmer, Billu become very old. Wife, yes, he can't walk, he can't throw him away. Wife, please don't throw him away. Farmer, no dear, he is very old. Do anything now. I am Afinanda from Olatani. There is the house, small house. The farmer's house. The dog is in the house. There is the house, small house. The farmer's house. The cat is in the house. There is the house, small house. The farmer's house. The goat is in the house.
Dear hen, where do you live? I live in the coop.
Hello, my name is Abhiyal Nellika Kuri. This is my Billu. Billu is my dear dog.
I am jalan anne muka wale
Hi friends, my name is Agilde. My place is Putangada. I have a dog. Its name is Bruno. Its name is Bruno. It is got my home. It is got my home. It is eat meat. It is eat meat. It is black in color. It is black in color. It is a bow bow. It is a one in puppy.
I am Navya. My place is Brainwood. I am presenting a thought of Billu. What will I do? Oh God! Who can help me? No, I am not sure. Can the fox help me? Maybe. He is very excellent. Shall ask to my friend fox.
Hi friends, every day I go and play. I meet my friend. And we all say hello. How are you? Na 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 na.
Dear duck, where